Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a modern rustic wooden bathroom design that exudes tranquility and a touch of nature's charm. Centerpiece: Serenity, Rustic Retreat. A freestanding bathtub crafted from warm, natural wood takes center stage. The organic curves and rich tones create a spa-like atmosphere, inviting relaxation and rejuvenation. Warmth and texture, exposed beauty. Exposed wooden beams overhead, perhaps painted a light color for a modern touch, add architectural interest and warmth. They connect visually with the bathtub and create a sense of spaciousness, soft and inviting, luxurious comfort. A plush oversized bath mat in a neutral tone like cream or light gray creates a soft landing zone. Textured towels in earthy hues and a woven throw blanket add a touch of cozy luxury. Modern touches: sleek fixtures, sleek faucets, shower fixtures, and towel racks in a matte black or brushed nickel finish add a touch of modern elegance. They balance the rustic wood elements and create a touch of sophistication. Storage solutions, vanity contrast. A floating vanity made from sleek, modern concrete or stone complements the rustic wood elements. Ample drawers with clean lines provide hidden storage, while open shelves below showcase decorative towels or woven baskets. Metallic accents, light and shine. Metallic accents like brushed gold sconces on either side of the mirror or a chrome towel ladder add a touch of modern refinement. They elevate the design and create a touch of glamour. Finishing touches, live edge details. Incorporate a unique stool or side table crafted from live edge wood. This showcases the natural beauty of the wood in its organic form and adds a touch of rustic character. Greenery abounds. A hanging fern or a potted snake plant strategically placed on a woven basket adds a pop of life and connects the space to nature. Overall ambience: this modern rustic wooden bathroom design is a harmonious blend of natural textures and clean lines. It's a space that feels warm, inviting, calming, and effortlessly stylish, perfect for unwinding after a long day or enjoying a spa-like bathing experience. A rustic wooden bathroom with modern touches offers a unique and compelling escape, providing a space that's both timeless and refreshingly modern. Here's why you might consider this design direction for your bathroom sanctuary: warmth and tranquility. Natural beauty. Wood brings a sense of warmth and natural beauty to a bathroom. The variations in tone and texture inherent in rustic elements create a calming and inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Modern edge with timeless appeal, enduring style. Rustic design elements never go out of style. They offer a sense of heritage and connection to the past. Pairing them with modern features like sleek fixtures and clean lines creates a space that feels fresh. Current and effortlessly stylish, spa-like experience. Focus on natural materials. This design approach emphasizes the use of natural materials like wood and stone. This creates a spa-like environment that promotes relaxation and tranquility. Durability and easy maintenance. Built to last, high-quality wood vanities and shelves are known for their durability. With proper care, they can last for generations. Modern fixtures are often designed for easy cleaning and low maintenance. Light, airy, and spacious feel. Modern touches. Modern bathroom design principles often favor clean lines, light fixtures, and open storage solutions. Combining this with natural wood elements can create a bathroom that feels light, airy, and spacious, promoting a sense of calm. Versatility in personalization. Adaptable design. The beauty of this style lies in its adaptability. You can lean more towards the rustic side with reclaimed wood and a freestanding tub, or create a more modern feel with sleek wood vanities and minimalist fixtures. Unique expression. Wood comes in a variety of styles, from light and Scandinavian-inspired to dark and dramatic. This allows you to create a bathroom that reflects your unique personality and taste. Value and investment. Long-lasting beauty, high-quality wood elements and modern fixtures are an investment that can appreciate in value over time. They add character and charm to your bathroom, making it a desirable feature for potential buyers. Overall, a modern rustic wooden bathroom offers a perfect blend of warmth, functionality, and timeless style. It creates a comfortable and inviting space that's perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation, while reflecting your appreciation for natural materials and modern design. Value and investment. Long-lasting beauty, high-quality wood elements and modern fixtures are an investment that can appreciate in value over time. They add character and charm to your bathroom, making it a desirable feature for potential buyers. Overall, a modern rustic wooden bathroom offers a perfect blend of warmth, functionality, and timeless style. It creates a comfortable and inviting space that's perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation, while reflecting your appreciation for natural materials and modern design. Lighting and ambience. 7. Layered lighting. Combine ambient lighting with task lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider recessed lighting for general illumination and sconces with a brushed metal finish on either side of the mirror for task lighting. Finishing touches. 8. Live edge details. Incorporate a unique stool or side table crafted from live edge wood. This showcases the natural beauty of the wood in its organic form and adds a touch of rustic character. 9. Greenery is essential. A hanging plant like a fern or a potted snake plant strategically placed on a woven basket adds a pop of life and connects the space to nature. 10. Woven warmth. Consider incorporating a small woven rug made from natural fibers like jute or seagrass near the bathtub or shower for a touch of rustic texture underfoot. Remember, quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality wooden elements and modern fixtures that will last for years to come. Maximize natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows uncluttered and choosing light-colored window treatments. Personalize your space. Don't be afraid to incorporate elements that reflect your personality and style. This is your bathroom sanctuary, so make it feel like a space you love to unwind in. By following these steps and unleashing your creativity, you can design a modern rustic wooden bathroom that offers a perfect blend of warmth, functionality, and timeless style. It will be a space that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation, while reflecting your appreciation for natural materials and modern design. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.